Hey all, Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Today we have the WIFI-CAMP PRO 2, and if you've ever been at a campground or probably on a boat, you know that Wi-Fi is really horrible. Almost every campground we've been at, the Wi-Fi just stinks. And I have a small extender that I've used in the house. It really doesn't help. But this is supposed to take care of that problem. It uses almost like a cantenna tube, I guess, amplifier or way to catch the signal, and people have said they've seen legitimate signals from about a mile away. I don't know how true that is. We'll find that out in the review, but let me go ahead and show you actually what comes in the box of the Alfa Network WIFI-CAMP PRO 2. So I already took a lot of the stuff out of the package and everything to make it nice and easy. We have our setup guide here, and you can set it up either wirelessly or wired, and it says it's very easy to set up. We have our little router, so that uses USB. That's what's going to connect to your antenna. And then it has another antenna here because this is going to work as the router and rebroadcast the signal to you, or you can connect directly with a LAN connection. So that's pretty cool. It does come with a little jumper cable for RJ45. So we have that, as well as our DC power, AC/DC power adapter. Comes with a DC power adapter for car or boat, which is pretty cool to have. And we have a really long USB cable, which is going to send the signal from the tube to the router. Also here we have some tie-down straps, so if you want to put it permanently in place, you can do that. Waterproof tape. There's a couple places, depending on how you set it up, you might need to do a waterproof tape to block out any water or dampness. In the back of the box, this is that big antenna that is going to go to this part and plug in right here, and that's going to grab your signal. And they recommend that it's installed vertically like this, not horizontally, although you could do it that way. You just need a little bit more waterproof tape in certain spots. And then we have this other little antenna, which is going to go on the back, and that pretty much covers everything that comes in the box. Supposedly really easy to set up. We're going to try that. Make sure to check it out in our review to come, and we're also going to show you setting up process of just putting everything together. So there it is. That's the WIFI-CAMP PRO 2 from Alfa Networks. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here, and we'll see you soon.